Welcome to this video on how to draw an angle. And we're going to do the following. We're going to draw the angle over here, EFG, whose measure, and I haven't written it out, but whose measure is 40 degrees. Okay, and we're going to use some instructions that I have written, and if you just follow along on the left of your screen, we will, over here, we'll start with number one. So number one is draw the vertex and one of the sides on the page. So let's do that. So I'm going to first draw the vertex. So there's where I'm going to place my vertex, and I'm going to place my side right there. You know what? I'm just going to make it a little longer like that. Okay. Next, we are going to do number two. So number two is place the protractor with the center on the vertex and the zero line along the edge, side of the angle. So I have my crude drawing here of a protractor, and I'm going to place the center of the protractor right at the origin, and then I'm going to rotate the protractor so that it is lined up. Oop, my vertex moved, so that's okay, we can just do that. So it's lined up with the zero of the protractor, so just like that. Perfect. Okay, so step three is over here on the left. Mark a point on the angle you wish to draw using the protractor to measure. So in the example here, where they're measuring 120, so you can see if we go all the way around here, it's 120. Right now we're at this stage, although our drawing over here looks a little different. So let's do step three. We're going to mark the point with the angle we wish to measure. So the angle we wish to measure is 40 degrees. So to find 40, we look at our protractor, and there is the line that's 40. So I'm going to draw a line. Actually, no, I don't want to draw a line. I want to mark 40 with the on the page. Great. Okay, so let's go back to our instructions. For remove the protractor and draw a line from the vertex to the second point using a straight edge or ruler. So I don't have a straight edge or ruler here, but I am going to delete my protractor, and luckily my program can draw a straight line for me. So I'm just going to do that like that. All right, so we've done step four on the left. So we've done this part over here. Now we want to do step five, label the angle. So there we go. We could start label all the points that we need, as well as where the angle is. So going back to our angle here, we're drawing angle EFG. So notice that the vertex will be this point EF. So I'm going to label this point as F. I'm going to label this point I have as E, and another point here is G, and the angle that's 40 degrees is that one right there, and I'm just going to label that as 40 degrees. And that's how we draw a angle using our protractor.
Da, da, da.